Hey folks, back out on the water today. It's going to be a nice day today. I'm out a little later than normal, although the sun hasn't come up yet. But looking to hook some fish, see how it goes. Good morning. Oh, this hook though. Oh, I love this little lure. It's so great in the water, but man, it loses more fish than it catches. Oh, all right, well, back to it. Well, I thought I'd do something a little bit different today. This is part of the lake that's way up the lake, more really creek than anything else. But it's super shallow here, and it's got a hard bottom. So it's a real good place to get out and stretch your legs, but still be in the water. Normally I don't come here until later in the day, and I've never had any luck catching anything here. But I figured I'd come earlier. Maybe that would give me a little bit of an opportunity to catch a fish more at a time when they're biting than later. So it gives me a chance to stretch my legs too. See how it goes. Well, I spent about 90 minutes or so in that real shallow area, just sort of waded around and fished in likely fish areas there, and had one fish on the hook, not a big one, but a fish, but he didn't make it to me, so I guess that doesn't count. But real peaceful spot, real nice to fish there, so even though I didn't catch anything, it was real relaxing, so not going to complain. There we go. Got one. Oh yeah. Looks like a nice one. Stay on there, brother. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Woo. Why he's not coming to the surface? Oh boy. Net ready here. Come on now. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. There we go. No. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Whew. Oh my. Hey. my. Let's see what we got here. Holy smokes, there's a nice one. 17 and a quarter inches. 17 and 1/4. You are a nice fish, my friend. Look at that. That is a good looking fish. Hey, hey. All right. That is, I think, the second biggest fish I've ever caught on this lake. All right. You're an attractive looking fish, my friend. Back in the water. There you go. Whew. Whew. Well, I'm heading in. Been out here for 4.5 hours, and the last thing I did was catch that big fish right there. I was about ready to leave when I threw the line in the water and got that guy. It was a good day without that guy. It was a great day with him. So, pretty happy. Good day. As always, thanks for watching.